no gas in it.
Some rocket surgeon blasted the center out of the Allen bolts. I had to hit it with an air hammer to knock it loose.
Say that you made a tremendous discovery.
I made a tremendous discovery, and we're gonna Al Capone this thing and make a discovery on camera.
Oh,
Nice and soft. Look at this.
no way!
Really? That's all. This screw is hitting right here.
Oh yeah, it's a stop.
Look at it. See how hard? Look how far that's opening.
Why?
Because somebody's. But look.
Man, this shit is messing with my.
So all of that needs to be scraped off. So Liam's gonna do that.
So excited.
So excited. Wow. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm grinding.
So cool. I looked at Liam and said immediately no. What you doing? Picasso, I like it. Look at this side versus this side. Like,